Hello again and welcome back to our course on Project 2019. In this section, I want to talk about the versions of Microsoft Project that are available. And for those of you who don't yet have Microsoft Project installed, I recommend the version or versions that are most appropriate for use on this course. So I'll talk briefly about acquiring and installing Project 2019. Now, one thing you'll hear me say quite a bit on the course about Microsoft products is that I'm looking at a page on Microsoft.com here that's probably going to be different by the time you come to look at it. They tend to change these pages on a really regular basis, which in itself is fine, but it means that I need you to basically search for the equivalent of this page if you want to get the latest information. Now, what's important about this page is that it gives us a nice big link to jump to all the different Microsoft Project products that are available through the Microsoft website. So let's click on See Products and Pricing. And what you'll see first are two tabs at the top here, Cloud-Based Solutions and On-Premise Solutions. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, what's the difference between the two? Well, the cloud-based solutions, which we see here, which, if I'm honest, is Microsoft's preferred solution, this relates to Office 365, which is probably a term that you've heard of floating around, even if you haven't used it. And there are three options here for Office 365, Project Online Essentials, Project Online Professional, and Project Online Premium. And each one of those has various advantages and disadvantages to buying it. Now, the cloud-based solutions are subscriptions. That means you pay a monthly subscription in order to essentially rent that software from Microsoft. But what it also means is that if you do buy an Office 365 subscription, it means that your version of Project will always be kept up to date automatically, which is a really good feature. It means that you don't have to buy the next version of Project in order to keep up with the latest updates. So the subscription option is a really good option. Now, this course is Project 2019, and that comes under this second option, On-Premise Solutions. On-premise basically means a one-time standalone purchase. So you can see here the prices are a lot higher. And we have two options that we could buy if we wanted to, Project Standard and Project Professional. And you can see the difference between the two of them there. So Project Standard is on-premises project management for those who don't need collaboration tools and other advanced features. And Project Professional, as you would expect, is a comprehensive on-premises project management solution. So which one you choose is entirely up to you. Now, Project 2019 is only available as an on-premise solution. Essentially, this latest version, 2019, is really for people who haven't subscribed to Office 365. So it basically brings Project 2019 in line with all the updates that are constantly happening in the Office 365 versions of Project. So essentially, if you've had in the past Project 2016 through Office 365, it's going to be very similar to the on-premise version of Project 2019. So there will be a lot of crossover. A lot of the things available in 2016 are available in Project 2019. There's really not too much of a difference between the two. But as we said, our focus on this course is in Project 2019. So in terms of acquiring the actual software, if you don't have it on your PC, you can see there you have a Buy Now link. And I'm on the US version of the website, which is why it's in dollars. So if I was going to purchase Project Standard, I could click on Buy Now, and that will take me through to my cart where I can purchase Project Standard 2019. And that will come to you as a digital download. So you can literally click on the link and it will start off the project installer. So very simple to install. Now, I can't give you exact installation instructions because that will depend on a lot of the settings that you have on your PC, but I'm sure we've all downloaded and installed things in the past. It's always a very straightforward process. So I don't envisage you having too many problems with the actual installation of the software. So there we go. Install the software and then you'll be ready to start off the course. I'm ready to start. I hope you are as well. Please join me in the next section.